Hi, I'm Dr. Suprada, Urogynaecologist and cosmetic gynecologist at Akkineni Hospital, Vijayawada. Let's take a look at some important insights today. Please stay engaged and make notes.
What if I told you that you could treat one of the most common, yet kind of hidden health issues just by sitting in a chair? I'm serious, fully clothed, no surgery, and with literally zero effort. Today we're going to dive into a technology that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction, but trust me, it is very, very real.
All right, so let's start with the problem itself, because it's something that so many of us experience, but almost nobody wants to talk about out loud.
I want you to be really honest with yourself for just a second. Have you ever had one of those moments? You know, a huge, belly-shaking laugh with friends, a surprise sneeze that just comes out of nowhere, or maybe you're just lifting groceries, and you feel it, that little leak. It's more than just a physical thing, isn't it? It's that constant, low-key worry in the back of your mind.
If you just nodded your head or even just thought, yep, that's me, I want you to really look at this number. 1 in 3. We're not talking about a small fraction of people here. This is huge. It's probably your friends, your coworkers, people in your family. You are so not alone in this.
And this is maybe the most important thing I'm going to say. It is so easy to think, well, it's common, so I guess I just have to deal with it. But let's get one thing straight. Just because something is common doesn't mean it's normal or that you have to just put up with it. There really is a better way.
Okay, so let's get into the why behind it all. What's actually going on inside our bodies that causes this to happen? Don't worry, I promise we're going to keep the science super simple. It all comes down to this one area, the pelvic floor. The absolute best way to picture it is like a muscular hammock or a sling that stretches from the front of your body to the back. It's the support system that holds up your bladder and keeps you in control.
So it's really a simple chain reaction. Things like childbirth, the hormonal shifts of menopause, or, just getting older can cause that muscular hammock to weaken. And when that support system gets flimsy, the bladder kind of loses its foundation. The result? Those little leaks whenever there's any pressure, like a laugh or a sneeze.
All right, so we get the problem, we get what causes it. Now, let's talk about the really exciting part, the solution.
You might be picturing some complicated surgery or a crazy hard exercise routine, right? Well, the breakthrough we're about to talk about is almost unbelievably simple.
Yep, that's it. It's a chair. This is the Emsella Chair, and it's designed to do all the hard work for you. And this is exactly why it's such a game changer. I mean, just look at this list. No surgery, no needles, zero downtime. You don't even have to get undressed. You literally just sit down in your regular clothes and let the technology take over.
So, a workout without moving? How on earth does sitting in a chair fix a muscular problem? Well, think of it as the most powerful, focused workout imaginable that you do without lifting a finger. The chair uses something called high-intensity focused electromagnetic energy. Yeah, I know it's a mouthful, but what it really means is that it sends these super precise energy pulses deep into your pelvic floor muscles. These pulses make your muscles contract powerfully, over and over again, way more intensely than you could ever do on your own. It's basically rebuilding strength from the inside out.
So how intense are we talking? Get ready for this number, 11,000. In just one short session, this chair causes your muscles to do the equivalent of 11,000 powerful contractions. Let's just put that number into perspective, okay? One single 28-minute session in the Emsella Chair is like doing 11,000 perfect Kegel exercises. Now let's be real. Who's actually doing their Kegels every single day, and who is even sure they're doing them correctly? This chair takes all the guesswork out of it and does the work for you, flawlessly.
But, beyond all the cool tech and the big numbers, what does this actually mean for your day-to-day life? Because this isn't just about muscles. It's about reclaiming your freedom and your confidence.
And the whole journey is just so simple. You just come in, sit down comfortably for about half an hour. A typical treatment plan is about 6 sessions, usually twice a week. And here's the best part. Most people start feeling a real, noticeable difference after just 2 or 3 visits. And really, this is the goal, isn't it? This is what it's all about. Getting back to that place where you can just laugh with abandon, sneeze without that split second of panic, just live without that nagging little worry taking up space in your brain. So the equation is pretty simple. The treatment gives you stronger physical control. That stronger control gives you renewed confidence. And when you put those two together, you get a much better quality of life. It's as simple as that.
You know, this isn't some futuristic dream. This technology is real, it's clinically proven, and it's here now. So the final question really isn't about the chair. It's about what you want for yourself. Are you ready to stop worrying and start living your life freely again?